Yeah, I've got it. Well, maybe that's how they have nosebleeds. Someone help! You can see the blood in the mouth. I was being dragged. Look, a good because they don't want to get killed. Would you help me? No. Baby! There's a baby there. Back off.
There's a battle of strength now.
I think they hit the buffalo with.
Yeah.
That's probably why that buffalo had it.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier.